3.
Previously on I Can Grow. Now, we haven't even planted the berries yet,
These strawberries.
but
Hopefully
that's
we'll
about
get
to change.
Welcome to Paradise.
First, let me give you a taste of what you'll be seeing in this episode. Because we're getting all the cherries, all the berries, and all the terries. Ha! Just kidding. But we are going to be harvesting a nice amount of berries for ourselves, and they turned out pretty dope.
Red currant. So this is a
check it out.
2.5-year-old plant now. That's crazy. That's good. Well, cutting, to be fair. Everything's looking like something except our own grown blueberry. It has not acclimated to these conditions yet. It's not happy at all. Got these murder leaves. Well, they're curling up a little bit, but I did water them this morning. But look at the beautiful fruits the bird's starting to produce. Those as well. Getting nice and red. Nice and shiny for me. Alright, some things in the garden are working, while others are not.
And at the end of May, we harvested our very first strawberry, which was very delicious.
This is gonna be the second strawberry to get plucked. Seeds and nickels.
We have gotten a decent amount of strawberries this year, but not nearly enough for my taste. But quality-wise, they were absolutely fantastic.
Well, let's go ahead and pick some of the ripe yellow raspberries. Ooh, look at this cluster. This cluster right here. Beautiful. Let's get to the other side. Oh yeah, the blackberries will be on nice as well. Okay, this one's definitely unripe because this one came off with part of the stem, so as you can see, this one's definitely not ripe yet. Still, we'll put it in the little bin. There's already the new growth. We're trying to divert that in this direction again because we want it to grow towards the wall to get up to the line right there. But yeah. Well, I just had a nice and ripe mulberry, but it fell out of my hand and probably into the container. But I can't find it. Oh, there it is. That's the first mulberry I've ever picked. I've ever even seen up close. Like, I've heard of their existence, but I've never seen a mulberry. Let's see.
I apologize for the sounds you're about to hear, but, you know, you gotta taste it, and you gotta taste it right.
Let's give it a taste. Damn. Okay, needs a little bit more. There's one more. Let's give it a taste. But weird. At first, it actually tastes like a pepper. Like it's giving me very feeling terpene profile, and then it goes straight into berry. Weird, but I like it. It's kind of good. Okay, let's get the last thing here. The cherries, because they're like red, and yeah, as you can see, they're already being gnawed off. So I'm gonna just collect them now before they are gone. I'm gonna just pinch it off with my finger.
As a fertilizer for all the berries and all the cherries, I'm using the Garden Line 10, 5, and 7 NPK ratio fertilizer.
Cool. Well, our little bucket's almost full. But these are almost completely ripe. Not entirely yet. I'll give them 4 or 5 more days. Let's look at the gooseberries though. Over here we do have the gooseberries, and they are already quite delicious, but All right, they need like a week, maybe two. They're still sour, but already very nutritious. So I'm gonna have one more. Love them. This is what we got so far. It's early June. Expecting or hoping to harvest a lot more, including these blueberries that look quite cool, quite good. Our self-grown blueberry back there. And of course our citrus fruits that we hope will bring us some fruits in a few years. But for now, eating what we can pick. Well, while I was doing some more maintenance in the garden, I spotted a little helper. Oh, there it is. Well, there's a wild bee. And, well, there was a bumblebee. Now it's gone. Damn. I mean, you saw them. Some good as pollinators. Wait, there's that wild bee again. I guess the bee's camera shy. Sir Bumblebee.
All right,
Sir
let's
Bumblebee.
get into some weighing.
Okay.
It's not gonna be
Let's
much,
see how
but
many
it's something.
cherries we got. Bloop, boop. We got 65 grams of cherries. Not bad. Something at least. Okay, now that's 33 grams of yellow raspberries. We're hopefully going to continue to get more of those, and of course the blackberries. So
Now I'm hoping for a lot more of the yellow raspberries, which is why I'm continuously fertilizing it, or did already fertilize it once more, and I'm about to cut back the branches, but that'll be something for the next video. Now we've had an absolute scorcher in Germany this year. We've reached the 40 degrees Celsius, which that was absolutely a scorcher. So water your plants well, water them twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening.
another round of collection. Let's see, are there any more yellow raspberries? I think not, and it's also looking like it has a little bit of an issue. Maybe I have to keep feeding it some more nutrients because something, yeah, it's just kind of taking over. So many potatoes around. It's I've learned that lesson now. Once a potato bed, always a potato bed. So we're changing this whole thing back to potato bed because, as you can see, that's all that's brought in here. All right, we do have some onions and some garlic over there, but still. Tomatoes are now finally showing up, which is good. We've had some strawberries, but not nearly enough that we wanted. Still so much to learn, I guess. But the bell peppers are looking somewhat decent. Grapes are also showing some love. Peach tree, another one. I don't know. I don't know what happens. They just happen. Now we got Mexican cucumber. Well, actually 2 avocados. Avocado! Well, that's one of the peach trees. The other one, habaneros, basil, oregano, lavender. Well, citrus trees, saplings, they're also not looking too good in this heat. I might have to, actually, except this one in the back. This one, doesn't look that bad. And this one is also coming back hard. And I'm not sure what's in here, if this was a bell pepper or if this was also a habanero seed, but it will be something. And I will maybe keep you updated. Nah, I'm just kidding. I will try to get back into the groove, do some more stuff. So now we have a mulberry over there. Tomatoes from scraps that are growing in our berry bed. I've decided to let them grow. I'm kind of keeping them low to the ground, or as low as possible, so they don't take as much space and sun up. from the berries. Although I think they might actually do good with some shade. So maybe we'll just let them grow. We'll see anyway. The Spanish blueberry is coming back. Very good. The gooseberry we just collected. Blueberry. Watermelon. Crawling right through there. Nice. Red currant. Blueberry that we've grown from seed. Still can't believe I kept this thing alive for this long. I hope that I can get it enough or fed enough that it can give us some decent blueberries next or the year after that. Our cherries that we've already picked. White currant and black currant. This was an experiment. Peach cutting, but well, wait a minute. Hold up. Hold up. There's still some green in there. We'll see. Maybe. That's it, I guess. See you next time.
And in the next video, we'll finally explore the tomatoes, what happened, and where they're at now. I mean, you can see where they're at now, which is pretty dope. But yeah, as always, remember, if I can grow, what's stopping you?